Hey, what's going on, guys? For today's video, I will show you how to increase your Snap score in Snapchat. So let's start. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. So the trick here is to have another account. So let's tap into your profile picture in here, tap to the settings icon, and scroll down and log out. So in here, I saved multiple accounts. So for example, let's switch back to my main account. Now in here, I already added my second account. So if we check my friends in here, this is my second account. Now, what you want to do is you can send Snap to that second account, but there is also a trick. So what you can do here is tap on the plus icon here and tap on multiple snap. Now what you want to do is you can take multiple snap at once. You can take up to 10 snaps. And you can send it to your second account. Now, doing so, your snap score is going to increase. Now, let's check my score in here. So right now I have 3 snap score. Now let's go to the second account. Let's tap on the profile icon and settings. Now let's log out. Now let's check our chats. So we received multiple snaps in here. So what you can do is you can also take multiple snaps from this account plus icon, multiple snap, and take multiple snaps. And then you can send this to your other account. Now let's log out. So we notice that here for my second account, I have 0 score. Let's go to the other account. And check our chats. Now we received snaps in here. Now here I already have 11. Now let's check the other account's score. So we got 10. So it was 0 before, but now it has 10. Now you can do this multiple times, and this is going to increase your snap score. So that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.